Hello dear friend, you are welcome to Resolve for You. This is Rakesh here. There is a very important update about OBS Studio. You can see here OBS Studio 30.2.3. This is a new update. In this update, you see note here. User may need to update their GPU driver to 530.61 Windows 530.413 Linux or newer. Uh, so now I will just update the driver. You see here, I just click here. This is the update. You need to update your driver here, and you can read all this. You see here the coding signing certificate for OBS is updated. This may impact game capture compatibility with some anti-cheat solution. You can check this here on this. You can just click at this link and you can check, and in this they have fixed the 30.2.3 hot fix changes, fixed a possible dialog when using a hybrid MP4 this, and fixed a possible dialog when closing OBS while outputs are active, uh, fixed a possible RTMP disconnection timeout on Windows system without IPv6 connectivity when connecting to a dual stack RTMP server, and this NOTR1CH fixed browser source custom CSS injection for site with the requires trusted types for CSP, adjusted IPv4 PV6 address selection to be stricter, and this fixed some all of this. You can read one by one. I'm just showing you. You see in this hot fix changed all there are new features they have added, supported for multi-track video streamings, OBS version and audio settings. You read one by one. GPU info model memory, all these have been added in this version. Added Linux shared texture support to the NAVIC encoder. Here they have just modified and renewed, added some new features, and updated the code encoder. GPU changes, you can see here various type of 30 points. They are all links, various UI and themes tweaks, changes. Audio of multiple instance of source in scene group is now duplicated. Here you can read one by one. There are lots of technical fixed, some bugs fixes. There are some very important bugs fixes here. Fixed packet priority not being set for some AVI encoder, resulting in output never recovering from dropping frames. Deroad. There are these technicals, very technical terms. You can read one by one, and because after this updates, your OBS will work very well. Last time I updated 1 month ago, I don't remember, and OBS is working very good, and the quality of OBS Studios, it's the one of the best quality provide in screen recording and video recording. I always use OBS Studio for my main job, and for secondary job I use other screen recorder. So OBS Studio 30.2.3 I will just update here. Remind me later. Skip version you can skip if you don't want, but remind me later, you can later update. But I want to update now. I will just click update. You see here our OBS Studio will be newer. See now, do you want to allow this this to make changes to your device? You just click here. You see, just click yes. You see now our OBS is updating. Hello dear friend, we have just updated our OBS Studio. You can see here now our OBS Studio version is 30.2.3. You can see here we have all the details here. You can see, you can click here, you can start recording here, you can start streaming, you can add start virtual camera here, If you click here, it will be in the, you see, in studio mode. I unclick, I like this mode now. You can see, add scene here, you can add here all type of camera presets here. In the we will have the next class about the long tutorial about how to start and work on OBS Studio, how to record the good quality of video and screen capture, screen record on the OBS Studio. Please join that class. Nowadays we have a class about the Vinci Resolve video editing software. You know, the nowadays the Vinci Resolve is the king of all video editing softwares. So if you know it, it will be very good for you if you want to create a content on YouTube or you want to work as a freelance. Um, we have this color. I have designed this class for beginners. You can just start from the beginners. Even you are advanced users or intermediate is users, this course will help you a lot. This tutorial will help you, and I have just dropped. I will drop the link in the description box about the playlist of the whole tutorial. You can just click and join our tutorial. Dear friend, just don't forget to subscribe the channel, sir, because use one subscription give me a lot of motivation to make more creative video for you, dear friends. One subscription likes motivates me, and you can write any comment, which type of video do you want to make for your knowledge, dear friend. Just write in the comment box. Take care. Bye. We meet in the next class.